Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tips Zone. Today we will discuss how to blur the background of an image using the Photos app. However, this feature is only available in the Windows Insider channel, and as you can see, I'm on the 25951 Windows Insider build in the Canary channel. So first update your build to this version and then you will get the Photos app which contains the new feature. This is the version that you should be looking out for, 2023.1109013011.0. Once you have uploaded your PC and get access to this version of the Photos app, launch it and then open an image. It will open in a new preview window. Now go to the top menu bar and click on the edit image icon. This will open the editing panel for the image. Here you will see the new background blur option, which will automatically detect which parts of the image you need to blur. Wait for the tool to generate and automatically detect the image, and then if you like the blur effect, you can directly click on the apply button. However, if you're not satisfied with this, you can use the selection brush tool and blur out additional parts of an image using it. You can also adjust the brush size and brush softness using the sliders next to it. You will see that our taskbar is also blurred and I want to unblur it. So what you will need to do is just click on the deselect area icon, and after selecting the tool, just drag the brush across the taskbar or any area of the image that you want to exclude from the blur effect. You can see that the taskbar is now unblurred, and you can click on the apply button to apply this effect. If you want to roll back the change, just go to the top left corner of the image and click on the undo button. You can undo this for as many times as you applied the effect, and if you don't like it or want to revert to the original image, you can just click on the reset button and then click on reset again, and it will remove all the edits that you made to this particular image. After applying the blur, just click on the arrow button and then click on save, and the blur effect will be applied to the image. So this is how the new background blur feature works in Windows Photos app. Make sure to update both your Windows Insider PC and the app to get the access to these features. That's all for this video, guys. Do like and share this video with anyone who will find it helpful, and unblur an image or blur an image quickly. Do subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel for more such tech-based content.